Hi everyone, and welcome to my presentation. My name is Jamie Burns, and I'm just a regular stay-at-home mom. I recently decided to go back to school to pursue my Associates of Applied Science in Administrative Office Technology with a concentration in medical. That's a mouthful to say. There are so many different types of social media in the world these days. There's Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, just to name a few. Some people use these platforms to advertise or promote a business, and some people use them just to stay in touch with their loved ones. No matter how you use it carefully because it is there for the whole world to see. That's right. If you go into a job interview, almost guarantee that they're going to go online and search your name. If there is something negative there that the employer may not want in their workplace, then you probably won't get the job. Everyone has their own belief if this is right or wrong. In this presentation, we're going to look at a few reasons why it could be wrong or why it could be right. Some people approve of employers using social media to make employment decisions. They may think that what they see is what they're going to get. The cover shows the book, and the cover being social media. Ogletree Deacon said that many employers find the information on these sites to be particularly helpful because they perceive that this information reflects a more accurate representation of the applicant. If a person is their true self with their true feelings anywhere, it's social media. People feel like they can open up to the internet without judgment, so that's what they do. Some people think it's wrong to look toward social media to determine a job status. People believe that what they post online is their personal life and has nothing to do with their professional life. A person can cuss on Saturday but still go to church Sunday. The way they act outside of work can be completely different from how they act inside work, and that's okay. As Sage Driver said, more than half of recruiters see political rants as a red flag. Just because someone rants online doesn't mean that they rant or display their views at work. To some people, it doesn't matter if potential employers are using social media to check out what they've been doing on their Saturdays. Some people have nothing at all to hide. The lifestyle that they portray online is the lifestyle that they live every day. Nothing changes, same routines daily. Maybe they don't have any viewpoints, or they stay out of politics. Either way, they could care less. In conclusion, the use of social media can and does impact people every day. I'm not saying that and that I agree with it or I don't, but there's people who would be happy to give you their opinion. Just be careful what you post. There's always someone who's watching you, and you don't want it to come back and bite you in the butt one day. I appreciate you listening to my presentation, and I hope you learned something. Have a great day.